So Anil, how have you found tonight? Have you enjoyed yourself?
I've really enjoyed tonight, and I'm really delighted with a lot of the winners, especially the diamond winner, because at ACE, one of our objectives in our corporate plan, right at the top, is to promote the youth of the young of our profession, and especially to get the number of ladies up as well. So I think we're on our way to meeting our objective.
Well, I couldn't help but noticing, there were, 2 women on stage the whole evening. It is disappointing, isn't it, how male-dominated the profession still is. What more needs to be done to address that, do you think?
I think, Cathy, it's the media as well can do a lot to help us. I think it's a portrayal of what an engineer is. It's the traditional hard hat, sort of boots on, not a very effeminate image, if you like. And I think we need to have a bit more of a neutral image. And the more the media can do to help us, I think we will achieve that objective.
Do you think there's a lot of it about, the culture that we live in? Women are seen as, it's the whole body image issue, and girls wearing pink, all of that. Does that contribute, do you think, to this lack of female engineers? Does it go back to something as basic as culture and society?
Put it this way, in some of the Nordic countries, some of the other Western European countries, they don't have this issue. They have quite a high proportion of female engineers. So I don't think it's a culture issue per se. It may be, it's something which is historic, and also it's a perception of the engineer. And I think this is a difficulty we have in the UK, is the professional engineer and the non-professional engineer. There's no distinction. There is in other countries. And in fact, the whole use of the term engineer is used quite loosely. And I think that probably contributes a lot to it.
Now, of course, we've been talking tonight about how the industry is burgeoning, the economy is recovering, lots of big projects in the pipeline. What about your 3-year plan? Tell me about that.
About
the 3-year ACE's 3-year plan.
Yes, sure. The 3-year ACE plan, what members want is they want a lot for the membership, and as we're seeing the industry grow, there's a lot of boundaries being broken down. Once upon a time there was a very clear distinction between an architect, a quantity surveyor, and an engineer. That is all coming together now, and I think that's reflective of ACE's membership. And what we're seeking to do is we're actually seeking to double our turnover in 3 years, which is quite ambitious, but that's not from membership alone. Membership will be a large part of it, but a lot of our support, the stakeholders, part of the industry will help us do that.
Anil, thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of the evening.
Thank you.